Is your Google search result being redirected to another search engine, like Yahoo? If that's the case, then I will show you how I fixed it on my computer. First, I will demonstrate the problem, and then I will show you the steps to fix it. Before we can do anything, we need to make sure we are having the same problem. So first, we need to figure out whether it's a problem with Chrome or if it's a system-wide problem. To check that, first load up your Chrome. I am on the one that I use a lot, so I'm going to type in hello in Google and then click search. When I do that, notice that how now my URL is changed to Yahoo. So this one, the one under Amy Link CB, is affected. Now, if I go to another Chrome browser like this one, this is my usual tech tutorial account. For this one, if I type in hello, I still see Google, so I'm not being redirected. So that means this account is not affected. So this one, Amy, this account is safe. Now let's go to Firefox. For Firefox, I'm still on Google. This shows me that it's not a system-wide problem, so it's just something wrong with my Chrome account, one of my Chrome accounts, and that's this one. If this is your problem, then I have a possible solution for you. If it's a system-wide problem, then you might want to do a virus or malware scan. Now let's see how we can fix this. The cause of this redirection is due to an extension that I installed on Chrome. To go to that extension, click on those three little dots, left click on it, and then go to More Tools. Over here, click on Extensions. Down here, I have an extension called Facebook Video Downloader, Save FB Video. If I disable that, just by unchecking that enable button, that's it, that's all I need to do. Let's go ahead and go back to Google and type in hello. Voila, I'm not being redirected anymore. For me, the cause of this problem is this extension. It redirects my Google search to Yahoo. What if you don't have this extension? If that's the case, then think about the recent changes you have made to your Chrome. That might help you figure out what's causing this. Another possible solution is to disable all your extensions and then enable them one by one until you figure out which extension is causing the problem. That is, if one of the extensions is causing that problem. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!